right to freedom of religion. Itum social media long theglong Dhorom lam kachepusit athe karbyang Dhorom kethom ki kroitum do. Christian honghari lapen aron kimi lokimon culture tum. Lasso penjong nitum Christian hello keme letum honghari hello keme lapen nitum lokimon culture atum adhorom hello ahok keme pu. Social media long pinang lam kachidan do.
Christian men tiu nangpo kalam ke lapuilo.
If we go through the Indian Constitution Fundamental Rights Article 25 to 28 long langdam tangte right to freedom of religions pudo. Maduta amethang Dhorom religions fan karchoji araddo. Nang lasu Dhorom fan archoji archoche kroji krokri lake amin ke hanglo. Lapen ke citizen are free to preach of their religion. Amethang Dhorom fan birta pachi thangji fan araddo. Lapen article 14 long langlam tangte equality before law. Lapen article 15 long make the state shall not discriminate against any other religions. Langsila long le chesosar long le lapen disturb long le ajat adhorom phanta. But itum karbi itum mang Dhorom kethom ki kroy do kok mena jok kachepusit kachesosar ka disturb asonya dok tik tik. Christian tumke lason honghare tumke lason hong lapen lokimon kacho tumke lason pu kachesosar do social media long. Every religions have their own God. Amithang Arnam do ajat Dhorom ta, and we should need to respect them. In India, there are 7 major different religions with different God. Christian believe Lord Jesus Christ, Hindu believe Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva, and Muslim believe Allah. And also every religion have their own religious book. Like Christian have Bible, Hindu have Bhagavad Gita, Muslim have Quran. Lason thak si karbi Christian lapen karbi hongrai tumta do. See. Langnamote kachepreke avelo ajad adhorom ta jutang jubat bangke chinghon kachepreke adamasa hut man peng kachi hudi hut honghari tumbangke or bonghor the ot bonta Christian tumbangke ot e lapen lokimon tumta ot e even adamasa hut lokimon culture tumbangke okta chuche lapen ke Christian celebrate Christmas honghari tumang rong ker kakri arni lapen aron ki bidumang lokimon culture arni kache society alamasi avelo we should need to respect each other and respect every religions. Even KAC Karbyang Autonomous Council the different religions do. Lumbajong MSC Johnny Timung aron kibia Dhorom pen lapen ke nilip MSC Pavitro Rompi Christian Dhorom pen CEM Tuliramong hang Onghari Dhorom pen. But they respect each other. Even Lokimon Kacho ahut Tuliramong hang pen Himanta Biswa Sharma Lokimon Kacho ahem kain thil motame ludul. They does not discriminate each other religions. Asi right to freedom of religious labangke fundamental rights long ketok tando Indian Constitution long nasi ilitum kachesosar lapen kachepusit sebagai stop labangke ington koksi kimejing nasi pinyo video kela ansi kangtom pelong akimi viewers tum an neli channel nang kohong cheng nang tum an please subscribe share thala so video lake important ola itum Dhorom bangke chepusit nang nilo nasi try to respect every religions. Thank you Kardom alhando.